from Team Miss Mali, and I'm so excited today because I'm hanging out with the star cast of Dishoom, and Jacqueline is not looking at me for some reason.
No, because I'm being pushed by Varun.
Jacqueline is so rude.
Yeah,
my
stop
God.
it, Varun, you're the rude one. But I have
Jacqueline
to,
is so
before I ask you guys about the movie, I have to ask you, how does it feel to casually break the internet with like your boner?
Oh my god.
One second. Start that side.
I honestly don't like care about it, or I haven't reacted much.
Yeah, come on guys, that's all the
Which
adults
I think
here.
is very cool.
Yeah,
Which I
Let's
think
all
you
just
like
be
to hear.
adults here.
because it's nothing. It was just a picture, and
Tell them who
it came across like that, and I'm like, it's cool that if people felt it or something and they said anything, I don't care about it. But you know what really I did find funny is the way, like, you know, how the Indian media question you and people come and like, आपका photo है और उसपे negative comment है. So I asked, and this is a lady journalist. I said, I didn't even know about that. So I said, नहीं क्या comment है? वो मैं I said, अभी आप बोल भी नहीं सकते हो क्या क्या है, तो मैं आपको जवाब क्या दूँ?
But I think it's very cool that you've just been like, oh, ठीक है.
Then I posed that way.
That you posed that way was the
That's it.
coolest.
That's a nice
So eyes up here, guys.
I
Eyes
love
up.
it.
How are you trained for it?
It was, I think, when we started training in Abu Dhabi, John would always say, just give a shot. And I would not understand. And I said, one day I'll just try what John said, and that's.
And that's there for everyone
John,
to
what
see.
would you say? In John's words, what would you say, John?
No, I'd say give a shot because you want to tighten your core and they don't understand. So I say give a shot.
I swear.
And so, Varun actually in all his photographs I see now, he's holding and he's
And
giving a
giving
shot.
You gotta give a shot.
Love
It
it.
goes.
You
goes-
should title that picture.
Give a shot.
Giving a shot.
Giving a shot.
Giving
John.
a
Give a
shot.
shot.
Okay, so Dishoom is it's a cop film, which is such a
Yeah.
popular like.
Thank God you said
genre.
cop.
As opposed to.
We're all adults here, come on.
Yeah, we all adults,
You
you
can say
say-
what you wanted
you
to
can
say.
say.
Yeah,
Come
we
on.
can say what we want to say. It's
Yeah,
a
exactly.
cop film, but which is such a. Stop it, Varun. Okay.
He loves you.
This is over.
He loves you.
It's a pop film,
Get a
which is
room.
which is such a popular like genre in Hollywood, but surprisingly no one's done it here yet because I mean why has no one done it here
He's
yet?
played a
before
cop
this?
so
I
many
think,
times.
I think you need
But
a,
like you know this whole comedy like the good cop, bad
Buddy
cop.
cop.
Yeah.
you need a director who's well equipped to do that. And I think
Yeah.
Rohit was the right director at the right time to actually do something like that, and he got a cast together that was ideal for this. So I think it's a matter of timing, and it's about two guys who, and I promise you, it's two guys and this girl who actually intrinsically get along.
Yeah.
And
Which we can
just-
see clearly.
And we translated that on screen beautifully, and the results are there to see.
So okay, so Rohit as a director, you are doing all these ghar ki picture like what is this?
My mom is directing another film.
Yeah, so nice. So like, is it easier to work with your brother? Ki
Not
sab
at all.
chalta hai.
Not at all. I think I did my second film with my dad, then I did 5 films outside, and now I've come
Yeah.
back with my brother as well. It's cool when you have a family that's so into films, and I think it's ingrained in my DNA in that way. But what got me to do this film is just the plot. Ki wo plot tha ki 36 hours, India's top cricketer goes missing, and we got to get him back.
Yeah.
Couple of years back, I would hear the script and be like, this is ludicrous, this won't happen. But now, when there's security fears in Baghdad, in
It's a fantastic
Bangladesh,
plot. It's a
in
fantastic
Istanbul, in France, all over.
And very realistic if you
Yeah,
come to think
yeah.
of it, yeah.
So it's very possible, like a Virat Kohli or a Rohit Sharma, if there's an attack or they get kidnapped.
Yeah.
It's crazy, and we're not making up anything. There are bookies, there is match fixing, yeah. The whole IPL thing, the whole cricket angle. I don't name any cricketer that was involved or not involved. Or any bookies, but it's pretty dangerous, yeah. The whole Hawala scene and all, it's all happening. Everyone knows what I'm talking about. It's just that people don't want to say it, and we've just been ballsy enough to do it, basically.
That's amazing. And this is your second film with Rohit.
Yeah.
So was that different because you do Desi
Yeah.
Boys and then you come back, but both are like fun films, so it should be.
Yeah, but Rohit's grown as a director.
Yeah.
So technically, Dishoom is a far more evolved film. They're fun films.
Yeah.
So for an audience, it's going to be fun. But when you understand the technicalities of a film, Rohit has evolved like by leaps and bounds as a director. And I would rate him up there as a director. He's fantastic.
That's amazing. So both your like bromance is literally like catching headlines and everyone feels. And do you get bullied by these boys?
Please.
At all?
Jackie and
Yeah.
we've got into a couple of fights. I mean,
Yeah.
there've been
Yeah,
a
I've
couple of
always
brawls.
won.
some back alley brawls.
Yeah.
And
One on
because
that.
she's
Obviously,
from Sri Lanka.
Girl power, dude.
No, not
Yeah.
girl power. It's because she's from Sri
I'm
Lanka.
just too
And we
fast
were
for her.
shooting in Abu Dhabi. There were a lot of Sri Lankans over there, so she'd call her.
She
call
got
her
her
on
beat.
there.
But,
I got my-
honestly, she's a tough girl.
Yeah.
And even her, we've not said this, but the first shot she gave in the film, which I think is the best shot in the film, was in an interrogation room.
Yeah.
You know, I've worked with Jacqueline on Race 2 and Houseful.
She's never given that good a shot.
She has actually
Ever.
evolved as an actor.
Shocked.
Yeah, it's very good. Very good.
I think it's the best career performance of Jacqueline.
I haven't seen anything.
You haven't seen your own film?
This is the best performance ever.
No, her best performance was Brothers.
Oh, thank you.
This is for fan club,
See, so
Jacqueline fan club.
basically, yeah, I beat them up. So
No, I think she'll be better than Brothers in this.
Yeah, Brothers she was far superior.
But you don't think she'll be good in the show?
But in this show, she'll be even better.
Varun, you ruined me.
What about
no handshakes. No, not allowed.
No high five. This is
Nothing.
not allowed.
what about
No one high fives.
Race 2 who was very good?
Huh?
Race 2
Race to Jacqueline was.
and Deepika?
Yeah, we were all good.
John was
Yeah.
best.
John, even
Deepika?
John was.
Deepika was
like-
second best after me.
Okay, see, like this is the stuff I'm talking about. This is all like everyone came over John and Varuna get along so well, and you
And
guys-
Jacqueline is the kebab man.
Kebab mein honey. But you guys are constantly even in the media, you're talking so nicely about each other. Like how you learn things from him and you learn what is this?
No, we get on. I think even this one, she's a full tomboy.
Yeah.
And I don't know why people cast her as a heroine. Cast her as a
She's
hero.
one
As
of
a
the
hero.
boys.
Yeah.
And she's done crazy action in this.
I'm a hero.
Just say I'm a hero.
No, I don't want to say that.
Say it.
You get
Say it.
She
Why?
is a kick-ass heroine.
They won't shoot a photograph of you training and.
Guys. Shut guys, come on.
Just shot maro.
Shut Maro.
I think that's like the quote of the film. It
That's
should
the
be
quote.
like on the poster or
But
something.
I, I never knew that. The thing is, that picture got put out like 4 days earlier, and after 4 days, suddenly it just blew up, and then people like broken the internet and you've done this and this and that. And I'm like,
Please, you're Rose guy.
no, I didn't say Joska. I didn't know what's it about. And my trainer is so bloody shady. He clicked the picture.
And you didn't see it before.
He didn't see it. No, he didn't realize. Nobody realized. Everyone realized.
Yeah,
after
but we
4
don't
days.
have such perverted minds.
It's not about
Like,
it's there.
In fact, Miss Malini did a feature on that picture saying
know.
that this is so cool and this without realizing that Miss Malini is such a clean channel.
Exactly.
They don't do these things. It's fine, but I think it's cool. I think if there was something that came across in a certain way,
You're
people,
cool.
people are cool about writing.
You're-
the way
It
it's
is,
fine.
of course.
Please go
Yeah.
out
But
there
even
and
in the
write.
film, there is this whole iconic shot of
Yeah.
both of you in a
You know
Check
what?
it.
in orange
saying
trunks,
those
in
things.
orange trunks, which again, see, because this is such a fast-paced trailer, you know you're gonna have fun. It's so thrilling, and in the end, there's this whole
You got that.
yeah.
You got
How
that.
was that? Did you have to train extra for it?
Me?
No.
I keep doing it in all my films.
Of course, or in the house, just
Yeah,
He
carry.
just changes the shots.
No,
Change
in
the colour.
the house he's in a lungi.
We had got a yellow one, and then John said, "I can't do yellow. I've done yellow before."
Of
So
course.
just let's do orange.
Of course.
And there's a lungi shot as well.
And next it's gonna
And
be.
there's one no looking shot.
Yeah, we nothing.
So, oh,
Yeah.
okay. Moving on. Okay, so Janimana, your song.
Janimana.
What are those moves? And also generally, even like in your promotional stuff, Varun to bahana कि dance कर लूँ मैं 50 करोड़ लोगों के बीच में, and you're dancing really fast. And why don't you get tired?
I like dancing. I
He enjoys
enjoy
it.
music.
Genuinely
Genuinely.
it's hard.
Yeah. It just comes from
Yeah, but it's
First,
amazing
yeah.
that he doesn't get tired though.
But even you don't indulge in this that much. I remember you guys got a knock.
Oh no!
He
You'll
danced,
be
he
surprised.
danced. You'll be
You will be surprised.
Surprised.
When John.
He's
when
a
John,
hidden dancer.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
dances when you're
When you're
not
not in a
looking. He
good
dances.
When he's in that
When he's
that
happy.
mood, John can go
Just
for
when
it.
John's had a
Yeah,
workout,
yeah.
given 2-3 shots, he's ready to go there.
John moves.
Make sure what shots you're talking
John.
about.
Yeah, these shorts has become a very controversial topic here. Okay, but that Janiman R song,
Yeah.
it's become so
You do
popular.
this step with me though.
Okay, how do you do
Just
it?
one leg up and I'll do this.
Okay.
Ah.
It's like you're doing abs also.
Yeah,
Calling
Yeah,
shot.
yeah, it is.
Short also.
Doing shot. Everything is about the shot.
Everything is about the shot. But I've heard that apparently this kiss in that song
Yeah.
was your idea. ये क्या है? ये कैसा अजीब सा idea to randomly put it?
No, it's scientific, as in the sense I say कि 2 साल में हो गए तेरे बच्चे मेरे बच्चे. So I mean, you have children.
You have
what
children,
what
you have to do something.
And so it wasn't my idea in that sense.
You have to
There
kiss
was.
your children.
I mean, you kiss and then you work yourself.
I mean, it's
around.
nice if you do it.
I mean, it's nice. I mean, if you, I
Oh,
mean,
you should start with
you would
Yeah,
kiss.
yeah.
I mean,
You
should.
romantic.
You should.
Kiss. I mean, some people go with just holding hands and then.
I'm thinking, I don't know. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking.
Where do you start from?
No, I've done Vicky donor, so
So
I'm
where do
very
you, where do you start from?
Huh?
Where do you start from?
Remember one thing, we all start from the bottom.
Yeah. That's
Every
true.
day.
And then you work yourself
Work
up.
yourself out.
That's amazing. That is
Started
amazing.
from the bottom now.
Okay, finally, if you had to share with me your favorite.
Please talk to Jacqueline.
Please talk to Jacqueline.
She's
I'm
laughing.
talking all of you.
If you don't talk to her, she'll start laughing.
Yeah, no,
It's
no,
Jacqueline's
one, no
turn
one
now.
sings
Yeah,
along.
talk to her.
Jacqueline's
No
turn.
one sang along.
Ask Jacqueline.
Start. Okay.
No, go on.
No, okay,
No,
no.
do it,
No,
do
you
it.
missed the moment. You missed it.
Sorry.
Yes,
Okay,
yeah.
so if you had to share with me your favorite memory from set, because there's so much action that all three of you
I
done.
think our favorite memory is eating watermelon.
Oh.
That was a lot of watermelon. John used to eat 3 huge watermelons.
John would have like,
Yeah.
he would have like
So
6
fun.
trays of, no, not for fun, because he didn't want to get dehydrated. He's like, oh,
Yeah, but he ended up
yeah,
eating
yeah.
so much. Like
much
how many
watermelon.
of those
And we all
watermelons?
ate.
I have.
He ate, but not as much as you.
Yeah.
There was no watermelon left for the crew.
There was no more
You
watermelon
had-
in Morocco
For
left.
that monkey, Coco.
Yeah.
He didn't only have watermelon, he got diarrhea by the end. But no, it's a fact.
Coco.
I'm
You know, Diana is not funny, guys.
No. Coco's.
Yeah.
There's no animal cruelty.
Coco was
That's
old.
all. Coco
Coco
treated
was.
better than us.
Yeah, treated like royalty. Like.
But what is this watermelon obsession?
And then she would love the song I'm in love with the Coco.
Coco,
But I
yeah.
told her that's a different type of Coco. So don't go there,
It's not
Jacqueline.
the
same. Yeah, I didn't get that.
Different type of
we
stuff.
thought you were
Not
talking about Coco.
allowed to do that one. Yeah. Anyway.
Shots and Coco, that's what the film is about. I love it.
Hi guys, this is Team Dishum.
And you're watching us on.
MissMalini.com.